Today I'm showing you how to disable Windows Defender, also called Windows Security, on Windows 10 and 11. Let's get started. Important note: Windows Defender is Microsoft's default security software and should normally stay enabled. However, you might need to temporarily disable it to install third-party applications or another antivirus program. Method 1. Disable temporarily. Settings. Right-click the Start button and select Settings. Click on Privacy and Security, then click on Windows Security and tap on Click Open Windows Security if needed. A new window opens. Click Virus and Threat Protection, scroll down and click Manage Settings. Here you'll see Real-Time Protection. Toggle it off. Click Yes when prompted. Also turn off Cloud-Delivered Protection if it's enabled. This temporarily disables Windows Defender, but it will automatically turn back on after some time or when you restart your computer. Method 2. Disable permanently. Registry Editor. For a permanent solution, right-click the Start button and select Run. Type regedit and click OK. Click Yes when the User Account Control prompt appears. Step 1. Navigate to Windows Defender Registry. In Registry Editor, go to HKey Local Machine, then expand Software. Expand Policies, then Microsoft, then find and expand Windows Defender. Step 2. Create New Registry Value. Right-click on Windows Defender, select New, then DW Word 32-bit value. Name it exactly as follows: Disable Anti-Spyware. No spaces, capital D, capital A, capital S. Make sure the spelling is exact. Step 3. Set the value. Double-click on Disable Anti-Spyware. In the Value Data field, enter 1 and click OK. The value 1 means disabled, while the value 0 means enabled. Step 4. Restart your computer. Close Registry Editor and restart your computer. After restarting, Windows Defender will be permanently disabled. How to re-enable Windows Defender. To turn Windows Defender back on, simply return to Registry Editor, navigate back to the same location, right-click on Disable Anti-Spyware, select Delete, and restart your computer. Windows Defender will automatically re-enable. Warning: disabling Windows Defender leaves your computer without built-in protection. Only disable it if you're installing another trusted antivirus program. Never leave your computer without any security software. And that's it. You now know how to disable Windows Defender temporarily or permanently on Windows 10 and 11.